Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Trust Wallet application to Bscpad. And you can go about this by simply opening up your Trust Wallet, heading over to the browser section highlighted here, and clicking on, or rather typing in bscpad.com. Once it loads in, you give it some time to load in, yes. Okay guys, and Bscpad has loaded in, and you can look at their available projects and stuff like that. By simply using the hamburger icon in the top right corner, you click on Connect Wallet, click on Trust Wallet, and your wallet has been connected automatically. As you can see, you can also stake your BUSD here. You can stake your BUSD. You can view the active projects, like the projects that they are partaking in or the projects that have ended already. You can also check your activities that you've done with your BUSD and BNB as well. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to connect your Trust Wallet to Bscpad, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.